Hello everyone, welcome back. This isn't what I normally do, because as you know I'm a property investor through and through, but this one little tip, I've just saved my girlfriend over £1,200 on her new phone contract. Obviously the more you earn, you don't really think about money as much, you order what you want and that's a great lifestyle. This is one tip that will definitely help you get going, because if you can save £1,200 over 2 or 3 year contracts, it's better to be in your pocket, pay for a holiday, pay for another luxury that you like. So let's dive straight in. I'll show you exactly how we've done this. It's not hard to do. Anyone can do this. Just follow the step-by-step stage. Very simple, and this could save you or your family some money in the future. So let's dive straight in. And I'm rocking the bean at the moment, so I don't know if you are, but let's crack on, eh? So literally what I'm going to do here, let me drag my face out of the way. So we've got two websites open. Let's go for, I'm on O2 at the moment, so let's go on O2 phone contract. I'm going to do it from the website, also do it from showing you my phone in the corner, showing you what the upgrade price is to me. As being an O2 customer, you think it's always better from them, you get direct contact, you have got the sort of loyalty of being already an O2 customer. But let's go in and have a quick look. So let's go straight to O2 or whatever mobile contract you're on. If you're happy with Vodafone or any others, go with them. That's always good to do. So let's go down, pay monthly, scroll down, let's see if we can get a filter. There you go. I'm going to go, I've even quite a lot about, because I'm at Samsung at the moment, so I'm going to go for the Samsung. Let's have a quick look. Samsung, I think it's S20 at the moment, the new one. So let's go straight down, Samsung apply. S20, I think there's an Ultra as well, I think. There you go. S20 Ultra, it's meant to be better. Let's have a quick look. Okay, perfect. Let's see what colours there are. Let's go for grey, cosmic grey. 128 gigabytes. We've got the like for like to get the true comparable, and this is online, this is what anyone can access and going from there. So I think 5 gigabytes, I'll tell you more who that's for, 15 or unlimited. So I'm going to go for the maximum amount. Let's scroll down, let's see what's going on here. I've gone too far. Let's go on customize this plan. Okay, so let's go on. Oh, I wanted free, really, free up front. Let's see if I can go, yeah, free up front, 36 months, 5 gigabytes, £56. If you want to go for more, a 15, I will show you why and what I choose personally, because looking at that, 5 gigabytes to 15 to 30, there's not a lot more in it. But let's go for the true maximum one, unlimited, £10 up front, 36 month contract. That'll be unlimited text, unlimited data, unlimited calls. Do check the small print, because sometimes unlimited still puts a cap on what you're doing, but technically unlimited should be more than 60 gig. That's what's showing there. You are paying more, so 60 gig, that is a lot of data to be using anyway. So let's give it unlimited. At the moment we've got £68.06. Also what I'm going to do and make a spreadsheet, I'll put in upgrade price on my phone or the online price, whatever is cheapest, and then I'll put the Tech Radar price. I'll tell you more about that in a second. So let's go back to the internet. So £68.06. What I'll do now, I'll put in the corner, I'll pause this video, I'll put on the screen me scrolling through my phone, showing you what price I can get you for from an upgrade, because obviously I should be able to get it cheaper, right? So let's go straight into that now. So as I was saying, I'll check on my phone now also to check the price compared to what I've just showed you on the internet. I'll scroll down, let's try and find the same phone. I'll see other upgrade options, try and find exactly the same so we can see what's going on. Let's search for Samsung. Let's try and find exactly the same. There you go, S2 Ultra, perfect. Let's go on that. And as you saw online, Ultra, let's go on the same colour, great. So we all like for like, is any price change in that. So it's showing us on 36 month contract. Let's go for all the unlimited stuff so we get the true value. Because to be fair, price £68. Because 5, at the end of the day, you're not paying a lot more, £12 more for unlimited. A lot of people who tend to 5, that's if you're probably stopping in a lot more, using a lot of Wi-Fi, that's fine. Probably 15 is pretty normal, which is £59. Going to unlimited, it's only £9 more, so as I would say, go for that anyway, as a just in case, because you wouldn't want to pay extra if you go over your data limit or have no data at all. So unlimited, 0 upfront, 36 month contract. We can go down. Let's have a quick look at that. So that is showing £68.34. So let's just start with that first of all and then go from there. As you saw there, so from my phone I can get £68.34. As a loyal customer, obviously I'm paying £10 up front. I can't really get a true comparable on this section, but let's just go for £68.06. So let's go for the £68.34. So straight away from my phone, back again. What's going on here? There you go, £68.34. Okay, and then but now you want to go on Tech Radar and have a quick look on there. So let's go straight back into that. All you want to do is type in Tech Radar. It's already on there because I checked. November. Oh, so ignore that. Tech Radar November contracts. Literally, if it's December, if it's January, if it's March, whatever, put your month in that you're in now. So go on here, you'll find techradar.com, mobile phone deals. Click straight on that. You want to go straight into your phone. Most times Tech Radar brings you up Apple products. So there you go, literally. So don't get concerned about that unless you're looking for apples. If you are, click on the show more options down here, open that folder, untick the box, tick the phone you're after, job done. But in this instance, keep scrolling down, load more deals, click on all of these, iPhones, XRs, etc. Samsung deals, most times you will get all of them, Samsung, the same. Sometimes I'll have every single phone on here. All you need to do is untick the box, literally there, scroll down, S20 Ultra, tick that, filter down, you want any up front. Let's bring that down to a free phone up front, that'll take some off you. Any monthly cost, fair enough, go down, 128 gigabyte, tick, we want a grey. Let's go for unlimited data. Actually, let's drop that down to 30 gigabyte data. Any minute, any text. Let's scroll that up to unlimited. So any contract. Now that'll filter down. What you can do is give price high to low or recommended. In this instance, you've got free up front, £50 a month. Recommended, price low to high, £46 a month. You can get a little bit cheaper, but same again, it's Virgin. So let's go down. We want to be on 02 for a true comparable. That's £50 a month, so low to high, and also the recommended is exactly the same. As you can see, unlimited data, unlimited minutes, unlimited text, £50 a month. How much is that to save? Let's save £18 a month over a 3-year contract. Literally, that's going to be quite a lot of money. So let's dive in. Because I think that's savings around about £684 over 3 years. What an amazing deal! But it's a 24-month contract. And also look at these other ones here. 2-year contract, 30 gig, 60 gig. There's that much different ones on here. 160 gig. Do you know what I mean? There's that much variance. But look at this, unlimited 24-month contract. That's interesting, because you're going to get a cheaper deal, saving £680 over the 3 years, but this is a 2-year contract, so you get out of the deal even quicker, so you can have a new phone, and obviously this phone will be worth more money in 2 years than it will in 3 years. So you possibly could have a trade-in value. Let's just say the trade-in value is 250 quid, making numbers up. In 3 years time, the trade-in value might be 120 quid. So you're making a bit on your trade-in value. Or you could pass it on to your partner, give them your old phone, and that gives them an upgrade. That's what I tend to do. I tend to get the hand-me-downs. I don't know if you do. But let's go back to my phone and have a quick look. As I say, true comparable to a 24-month deal, so I can get you true figures on savings, okay? But what I'm going to do first is put in there 50 quid. There you go, £18 saving, as I said. So let's dive straight into my phone, see what's going on there, and then come back to you on here. So as I just showed you that on Tech Radar, you can see the price they are, but you can also see they are a shorter contract as well. So what a better way, you're going to be paying £68 for a 3-year contract, unlimited text, unlimited data, unlimited calls, and as we know, most people only use calls or data anyway, and a lot of people use Wi-Fi these days, but that is £68. So you can see the kind of saving already on this phone. So let's just do this so it's perfectly like for like. Let's take this down to 24. Just like the one online, you always like to have a true comparable. So the original saving, as you saw, the new price, £85 a month. Okay, let me put that now onto that spreadsheet I showed you. Let's just see the saving. That's over 2 years now, so it's like for like, exactly the same. And then we'll go back onto the spreadsheet, have a quick chat and see if it works for you. So that's amazing. 2 seconds, let's go back on. So welcome back again, here we are. As you just seen, £85 for a 2-year contract. Let's just tap on here again now. £85. That's saving, oh sorry, wrong way round. £85, £35 a month. So we've got that times that. Wow, okay, so you're saving £35 a month on a 2-year contract. That's £1,200. How amazing is that? I've just gone and saved my girlfriend £1,200. That's £600 a year, plus that trading value will obviously be a little bit more. Let's just say it's £100 more, even 50 quid, it doesn't really matter, but that could probably be around about a £1,300 saving. So I hope this has helped you. Please comment below, have a look around, see if it does. Sometimes it doesn't, but it's always good to share. So thank you very much. If you are a new subscriber or you are new to me, I'm a property investor, do subscribe, smash that button down below. It'd be great to hear from you how to help you save more money or how to get into property investing as well. So thank you very much. Speak to you soon.